Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. In today's episode, we're talking about the new Moa battery charger for the Sony a6100 batteries for the NP-FW50 battery. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the show. Today we're talking about the new Moa battery charger for the NP-FW50 batteries commonly used in the Sony a6100. So the bonus of this battery charger is not only is it a battery charger, but it comes with two batteries in plastic cases as well as a dual charging station with two cords for the charging station. It also has an LCD screen with battery level indicators so you know when they are charged and at what level they are charged to. They're fairly inexpensive and an all-around good deal. As many of you may know, if you have the NP-FW50 batteries for Sony cameras, those batteries tend to die out fairly quickly. They don't have the highest capacity to them, which means you're going to need multiple if you're going out for an extended photo shoot or video shoot. That's where this charger comes in handy because you can charge one battery at a time or charge two batteries at the same time and have a third one in use. Or you can have one in use and the other on the charger ready for you when the one you're using dies. Now myself, I have purchased 4 of these specific battery chargers, so I have 8 batteries and 4 chargers, and I haven't had an issue with any of the batteries or the chargers themselves. They charge fairly quick. The level indicator lets me know exactly how drained they are, if I've completely killed those batteries completely down, or if they're at a small amount of charge left in them when they're placed on the charger. Now, if you want to go out and buy a Sony charger and a Sony battery, you're looking at triple the price of the new Moa battery charger. And even then, you're only getting one battery. That's not including the charger. For the price, you can't go wrong. You're getting 2 batteries and a dual charger, and you have that capability. As I said, those batteries don't last long. Even the manufacturer's battery from Sony doesn't have the greatest capacity. So that's why I got multiple chargers with the battery pack. That way I knew if I was going out for an extended day or a couple day trip that I have the batteries with me to be able to cover what I'm doing. If I was to give these a rating between 1 and 5 stars or 1 to 10, I would give them a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10. They may not be brand name, but they definitely do great for the price. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. If you have these batteries, what is your experience with them? Did you buy one charger set? Did you buy 2? Did you have any kind of issues with them? Anything like that? I'd be interested to hear. Thanks for watching. It's greatly appreciated. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.